Today we're going to take a look at 2701 South Key Largo Circle in Myrtle Beach, Seaside Village. This is a really cute 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a double-car garage, a little bonus room and workshop above the garage. It's got spectacular landscaping. I love the palmetto trees. Really well-maintained home on a corner lot. Let's take a look inside. You got a nice little covered stoop here, storm door. Come in, you've got a nice foyer. Nice tall windows, lots of natural light. There's a breakfast nook. And I love the way the kitchen is open into the living area. Vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan. Normally, I go into the garage last, but today I'm going to do something a little bit different and go into the garage before I go through the rest of the house. First off, we've got a nice utility laundry room here. Cabinets, plenty of storage. Nice metal door. We'll go up here in a second. This is a really cool room. We've got a double car garage here. So lots of storage. In fact, you can see they've got a fridge. Storage back here. So this is a walk-up attic that's been converted into a bonus room, workshop. This room is not heated and cooled, but the owner added a little portable AC unit up here. I'm assuming that's a heater too, but I really can't speak intelligently about it. But they've got built-in shelves, storage. If you're into crafts or hobbies, you've got this great long built-in table here. They've added outlets. Cable, outlets, the whole length of it. So this is a great room. These little doors go into the eaves. So you've got storage back in here. And then this panel here goes back into the attic and has access to the HVAC system. This is an estate sale, so there's no property disclosure, but I found some documents that the HVAC system was replaced in 2017. I love this open living room, really high ceilings, nice windows. It is a cloudy day outside, and we've got a lot of natural light here. So nice big great room that looks right back into the kitchen. It's even open up top here, which I think is neat. You've got a sunroom / Carolina room here, and this room is heated and cooled. It's part of the home. It's got its, on the HVAC system for the house. Got a super cute backyard here. Again, the landscaping is just fantastic. This guy really took care of this home and this yard. And then let me show y'all where we are. We're on 27th Avenue South. And the ocean is literally right there. There's the beach. You can see the water and you can see the sea oats. So we're an easy walk to the beach. Nice streetscape, really cute community here. In a great location, we're close to shops, restaurants. McDonald's is right around the corner, Angelo's Steakhouse. You've got medical facilities close by, and then just right over here is Market Common, shops, restaurants, walking and biking trails, parks. Just a great location all the way around. It's nice and quiet. It's close to everything. and you could walk to the ocean. What more could you want, right? Great little patio back here. Let's check out the rest of the house. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths back here. So you've got a little hallway. You have a guest bath here with a tub shower. There's me. Hi. Boy, I'm having a bad hair day. We have a linen closet. Lots of storage. 2 guest bedrooms. So you've got guest bedroom number 1, smooth ceiling fan. This has its own walk-in closet. We have guest bedroom number 2, again, ceiling fan, and its own walk-in closet. And then we have double doors here that lead into the master suite. This is a big room. You've got a nice king-size bed here with room for not only end tables, but a piano. So good-sized master bedroom. And then a master bath here with double sinks, a large step-in shower with 2 seats, and then mirrored sliders that go into a big walk-in closet here. So this is a great 3-bedroom, 2-bath home just steps away from the beach. I mean, it's in a perfect location. You don't want to miss the opportunity to get this one. For more information, look below for your own private tour. Give me a call. My name's Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. My number is 843-222-9135. Of course, all my contact information is right below in the YouTube comment section. Check it out. You don't want to miss this home. Come see it before it's gone.